What we're doing here is showing how to copy the images across from one website to another. In this case, we've copied one website into another website so that there's European localization. The issue is that if we have a look at our code that's copied across, it's still linking the same images. So if our Australian, for example, website was to be closed or was to be changed, at the moment, the European website would also either lose those files or perhaps have a broken link because those files are still sitting on the Australian website. So what we're going to do is figure out how to copy that image across and make sure that it's actually loaded up to the Australian website and to the European website and linked. So we're in the European website, but at the moment this image is actually coming from the Australian website. So we're going to go into the code and find our link. We're going to copy it all the way through to there. Copy. We're going to go across to a new page that we've created. We'll just call it trash. Doesn't need to be anything creative. We're going to delete it later. And we're going to say, insert image. Now we're not going to go to URL. We're going to go to upload file here. And into here, we're going to paste the link that we just copied. Now we need to put HTTP in front, HTTP:. There we go. And at the end, we're going to get rid of everything after the question mark. And we're also going to get rid of the size. So sometimes it'll say _small or underscore, in this case, 2048 by 2048. Delete everything there, including the underscore. So all we want is the actual original file name, and we're going to open it. That's uploading now. Of course, because we're waiting for it, it's going to go extra slowly. Almost done. Okay, now for some reason it seems to get stuck on 100 for a few seconds. Don't worry, just wait for it patiently. It will get past it and you'll suddenly see your image. The newest image is always the one loaded to the very left. So any second now. Here we go. That's it. Okay, so we'll click on it and we will set the size back to the one that we originally used. So 2048 by 2048. We'll insert image. And swap to code view. There it is. So let's just grab everything within the quote marks. Double check that we reset it to the right size. Copy that. Go back to our original page. Check that once again we're between the two quote marks and paste. And then swap and save. And that's now correct. And this is now an image that's being pulled from this website, not from a different website. So it's an actual image, not a relative image. And we'll save. And it'll take a while because that's quite a large file. Then while we're waiting for that, there we go, we'll go back to pages and just check if there are any other that have those files in them, which will be other relative links. So that's the one that we've just done. And obviously if there are 3 or 4 photos in there, we'll have to go and do all of them. If they are not image files, if, for example, they're PDFs, what you'll need to do is download the PDF to your hard drive, update it, upload it to settings and files, and we'll just use well, it is possible. It's also possible to do that with image files if you'd prefer. And then you can simply copy the link from here, copy, and paste that link back wherever. So this approach here under settings and files will actually work for image files and PDF. So if you want to use one approach, just use this files approach. Upload, save it to your desktop as the biggest version. So remember, get rid of any sizing information and then upload it to here. Copy this link and insert it, but you'll have to re-add the file information, the sizing information. And that's how you get rid of relative image links and relative document links in your Shopify site, if it's a copied site.